Hey guys! In today's video, we will show you how to create stunning product packaging mockups with a few clicks and also fabulous product images for advertisements. So, let's dive in. First, open Google and search for Packify AI. Using Packify, you can create AI packaging designs and AI backgrounds for your existing products with just a few clicks. First, we explore predefined packaging templates for product mockups. You can get many predefined packaging templates here in different categories. You can create your product mockup using AI with just a few clicks. For example, we choose health and personal care. Now, we will create a tube mockup. Click on Upload and add your artwork. Adjust its position to get the optimum result. Now, you can download this design for your use. Now, we explore AI packaging design, where you can create a package for your product by just entering a few prompts. First, add the product type. Now, you can choose different types of boxes from here. We will choose tin cans for our product. Now, we need to add our brand name. Next, click on Inspirations. Here, we can choose different packaging styles. We will choose the modern type. Click on Send to add preferences. Next, choose the theme color. You can add the hexadecimal code of your brand. After this, one more interesting option is competitive analysis, where you can add a product photo of your competitor. We will add a Coca-Cola can for preference. Now, Packify AI's powerful technology scans this image and gives us all the attributes from this image. Copy this and click on Send to add preferences. Now we will remove the red color. Click on Start Generating to generate the design. In this way, you can generate packaging designs for your product. Here, we don't want Coca-Cola. To remove this, we will give a prompt like, remove Coca-Cola in my design and keep my brand only Cool Cola. Now, send this to remove words. Again, click Start Generating to get new results. You can see Packify remove the Coca-Cola branding from our design. In this way, you can get your desired result by changing preferences for your package design. We think this is a better look. Now, you can download this image and send it to your designer for inspiration. Hey, do you want to experience this powerful AI packaging software? Sign up now and use our coupon code to get special discounts. You can also generate eye-catching product images for your advertisements. Just click on AI Background Generate. Here, you can choose different types of backgrounds for your image from different categories. First, we create from the fruit category. Just click Start Generating. Packify automatically generates product images with fabulous backgrounds. You can download the image directly to your PC in high-quality format. Let's try more. Now we choose Neon Light. You can see that's also awesome for product advertisements. You can also increase product numbers in your image. Just click on these icons. Next, choose a background and click on Generate. That looks nice too. In this way, you can generate high-quality product packaging and product images for your package using Packify AI. Now, we will create product images with attractive backgrounds using Packify's powerful AI background generator tool using our own product. For this, click on AI Background Generator. Click on Upload and add your product image. Now, create product images with different backgrounds. After downloading these images, we will do some minor editing using Canva. So, let's open Canva. Click on Custom Size, choose a 1080 by 1080 pixels canvas. Upload your product images generated by Packify. Add one image and expand it to the background. Type your text. Here, we will choose the London font. Change the font size to 42 pixels. Adjust its position and change its color to align with our design. Go to Effects and apply the lift effect. Take a new page and add your next image. Expand it to the background. Now, copy the text from the first page and paste it onto the second page. Change its text. Change the font size to 60 pixels and adjust its position. Next, apply the neon effect. Increase the intensity to 100. Change its color. Similarly, add your image to a new page. Expand it as well. Select the image and click on Edit. Then choose Magic Grab. Now, we will click the parts we want to grab. For grabbing the handle of the bag, reduce the brush size and brush all the handle parts. Click on Grab to grab this. Similarly, add the font. Change its text. Change the font size to 150 pixels. Change its color to dark. Apply the lift effect. Adjust its position. Click on Position, then Layer. Now, place the text layer under the bag. Reduce its transparency to 30. In this way, you can create stunning product images using Packify with some minor editing in Canva and use them in your ad campaign. Don't forget to use the promo code to get a special discount. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.